Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create your SOPs, Facebook posts, LinkedIn messages, emails, all from one Loom video. So the meta thing about this is that I'm recording a Loom to explain to you how to use Loom to create an SOP for your staff, Facebook post, etc. Very meta, but this is how you do it. So create your Loom video as you normally do. On the right-hand side, you will see edit, you will see comments, and you will see transcript, okay? All you're going to do, take the transcript, come into ChatGPT, and you're going to give it the identity. Okay, I am going to give you a transcript. I need for you to take this and turn it into an email to send to a member of staff to make a note of. I need the bullet points and the main talking points. Boom. It'll read this transcript and it will go ahead and it will take this into you. And then what you can do, turn this into an SOP for the company. Highlight and bold the most important parts. Again, turning it into an SOP. Super simple. Utilize it, improve it, and see how much time you can save.